I get a lot of questions about how to build a trusting relationship. I'll tell you right now, they scare me. Those are the harder questions because I have to be blunt. You can't build a trusting relationship with someone you don't trust. When that has been violated, broken, or shattered, it's damn near impossible to rebuild it. There are a couple of scenarios where you can. If your partner hurt you badly, but you know in their heart they're remorseful, and they're willing to hear about all of your pain in it, and you're 100% certain they'll never do it again, then you have a chance. Then it's about starting ground zero. Trust is something that's been layered over time. You make it so your words and your actions match. Just like building a wall. The words are the bricks, the actions are the mortar that holds it all together. You need both. Obvious ones. You say you're going to be there, you be there. It's not just following through on emptying the dishwasher when you said you're going to do it. If you say you care about them, you show them by paying attention to them, by seeing to their comfort, by caring about their pain. It's bigger than that. It's about the way in which you respond to their needs with your heart. And you do that consistently. That's how the trust builds. Another way to build trust is in your promises. Don't make any promises you can't keep, and stay away from vague ones like, I'll do better. That'll never happen again. You can't predict that. Couples sometimes make the mistakes of taking the relationship for granted and only pay attention when they're about to lose it or when it's gone.